yeah, you gotta check it out. And he, like, I could just tell he was trembling. So I grabbed my laptop and flipped it open. Like, you know her body? And I saw it for 2 seconds and I was like, oh my God. And I shut it down and I just said, I have to call you back. And I called my parents.
So what happened in that call to your parents?
I was just screaming that I was naked all over the internet and I didn't know what it was. And my dad was like, he thought I had been in a car accident. He's like, why are you screaming? And I'm just like, Dad, I'm naked all over the internet and I don't know what it is and I don't know where I am. And it was, yeah, I even got a call from the hotel that I was staying at because they wanted to know if everything was okay. I was screaming so loud. Everybody put up that I was doing it for publicity and attention, and that ripped me apart. Probably for like 3 months, everybody thought it was a publicity stunt. The front page of the New York Post said ESPN scandal.
Do you feel grief about this?
I do.
Do you feel shame about
I
this?
do. I feel so ashamed. This happens every day of my life. Either I get a tweet or somebody makes a comment in the paper or somebody sends me a still of the video to my Twitter or someone screams it at me in the stands and I'm right back to this. I feel so embarrassed and I'm so ashamed. This could have been stopped. The Nashville Marriott could have just called me and said, we're putting this man that requested to be next to you. Is this okay? And I would have called the cops and we would have gotten him. They could have stopped this and I'm so angry. I'm so mad.
Before you called the operator, did you know Erin Andrews' room number?
No.
What was the purpose for your calling the operator?
Find out her room number.
Did you know, had you had any experience with those phones previously to know that her room number would come up on the phone if you called the operator?
Not dealing with her, no, but had experience, yes.
Did you had experience at that hotel?
No, at various hotels.
So is it fair to say that your experience at other hotels led you to believe that if you called the operator and asked for Erin Andrews' room, that her room number would come up on the phone?
In this particular case, yes.
Well, when you say in this particular case, what do you mean?
I stayed at numerous hotels on business and was aware that if you call on a house phone, whoever you're calling's name will come up.
How did you become aware of that?
Just on a business trip, was calling a friend of mine and saw his name pop up when I called his room.
At the Marriott location, the Nashville Marriott, was a tool needed for you to remove the people?
I don't remember, I believe so, but I don't remember exactly.
What tool? Do you recall?
Very cool. Probably would have been a pair of pliers.
You brought a pair of pliers with you?
I don't remember if I did or I bought them locally.
Do you recall trying to remove the peephole, being unsuccessful, and going out and buying a pair of pliers?
I don't. Actually, I can think about it more. I don't recall that being the case.
At the Marriott, you were simply able to unscrew the peephole, correct?
If I recall correctly, yes.
You then went into your room and used a hacksaw to hacksaw the threads and then put the peephole back in to make it look like the full peephole was there, correct?
That's correct.
You brought the hacksaw with you?
Blade, yes.